Hello everyone. Today we will solve merge two sorted lists. Let's read a problem. You are given the heads of two sorted linked lists, list 1 and list 2. Merge the two lists in a one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists. Return the head of the merge linked list. Okay, let's define a merge to list function. Public list node to lists list node L1 and list node L2. Create a dummy node to serve as the starting point of our new list. List node dummy to leave list node 0. Create a pointer to keep track of where we are in the new list. It's not project. Iterate over both input lists simultaneously, comparing the values of their current node. Y and not equal. Now and L2 not equal. Now add the smaller value to the new list and advance the pointer for the list from which we took that value. Okay, if that one value less than equal L2 value. Well, next L1 and L1 equal L1 next. Okay, else next L2 and L2 equal L2 next. Okay, end of the loop. Sorry, end of the if condition. Advance the pointer in the new list. End of the loop. Add any remaining nodes from the other input list to the end of the new list. If L1 not equal now and as current next equal L2. Okay, return the next node of the dummy node, which is the head of the new list. Dummy dot next. We create a dummy node to serve as the starting point of our new list. We create a pointer to keep track of where we are in the new list. We initialize cur to point to the dummy node, since this will be the first node in the new list. We iterate over both input lists simultaneously using while loop. We continue iterating until we reach the end of one of the lists. At each step, we compare the values of the current node in the both input list. We add the smaller value. We also advance the pointer for the list from which we took that value, so that we can compare the next pair of nodes in the next step of the loop. We advance the pointer to the next node in the new list, since we have just added a new node to the list. And once we have reached the end of one of the input list, we add any remaining nodes from the other list to the end of the new list. We do this by setting curl next to point to the remaining. Finally, we return the next node of the dummy, which is the head of the new list. Accepted. Thank you for listening to me.